Hey, crypto family. Hope everyone's doing good today. So, another green day. I feel like it's Groundhog Day, and I am perfectly fine with that. Bitcoin right now has reached its all-time high. It's actually gone over $55,000, and it is over 1 trillion market cap, which is just insane. I remember the market, we were actually wanting the whole crypto market to go over 1 trillion market cap. Now it's just Bitcoin alone. So that's been awesome. Ethereum still trying to push up to that 2,000 level. Binance Coin still outperforming everything like crazy. That thing's up to $320. Absolutely insane. Then you have a lot of other altcoins that are doing good as well. Let's actually go to our watch list. So FTT token, I keep mentioning this token. There's a lot of comparisons to the Binance token. So again, something to keep in mind. It's up 25% to $32.86. Sol, another one, that's up 25%. I'm very bullish on these two. 11.46, and then Ren I mentioned in a video when it was at $1.16. That's at $1.58 now. And then Swipe still around 3.40, and then Serum, another one I'm very bullish on. That's up 20% to $4.70. So again, FTT, Sol, SRM, and actually SXP, and also last but not least, FIDA is one I'm very bullish in. I'll tell you why in a minute. But it's actually up over 20% today to $1.26. So with that, let's go over one of the reasons why Bitcoin is rising so much today. A big thing is Elon Musk the other day mentioned that Bitcoin is slightly better than holding cash. And as you know, everyone respects what Elon Musk does because the guy has just been insane with PayPal, SpaceX, you got Tesla, you got Boring Company, everything under the sun this guy makes, it turns to gold. So basically he says, however, when fiat currency has a negative real interest, only a fool wouldn't look elsewhere, Musk said in a tweet. Bitcoin is almost as BS as fiat money. The key word is almost. So basically, long story short, he believes Bitcoin is still better regardless. So I believe people are starting to flock to that. And then if we go ahead, look at the Bitcoin chart here, we can see it is basically held that support and then bounced off of that for its current price. But before we go into TA, again, just mentioning this FIDA token, one I'm very bullish on and I've mentioned in the past, is they had another company called Radium, and Radium Protocol is actually going to launch on the BunFIDA platform. And BunFIDA is another DEX platform, very similar to Serum. So basically, if you scroll down here, Radium actually commented, loving these crazy gas fees, you're going to be disappointed with Radium. So they're referring to ETH and basically all the crazy gas fees when you're on Uniswap and having to swap over. It's like at least $50 to $80 in ETH. And then basically Radium looks to alleviate that. And they actually just had their community polls, which were live about 7 hours ago. And it's actually already expired, already, I guess, full, you could say. So, but the big thing with BunFIDA is right now that FIDA has actually burned a lot of their tokens as well. So I go and click on their Twitter and you can see 400,000 FIDA just got burned. So again, this is a company that is going to continue to do very well. Still not a lot of followers on Twitter, so I'm very, very, very bullish on this one. But with that, let's go and get some TA. So looking at Bitcoin here, so I drew that trend line still on the 4-hour, and it bounced off of that perfectly at that 50,500 level. So very, very nice bounce off of that, and it has skyrocketed now, and it went to a high of actually $55,817 on Bybit. Now, looking at the RSI, it's looking pretty overbought now. It's getting towards that 80 level, starting to curve down. The MFI is still curving up, as well as the MACD. But, we may start to see some clipping in here. You can see we did get a green dot here, but these blue waves are starting to possibly clip to the downside. So we're going to see, though, but there still is some positive action here. But just keep in mind, we may have a little stall here, but still everything is looking fairly bullish for that. And then again, the Whales buy sell indicator still giving a buy here. Hasn't flashed a sell yet. For Ethereum on the 4-hour. So right now, Ethereum, we're still in this range here of this wedge, and it's starting to come to the top of that. So that's at about the $2,000 level. I don't think it's a coincidence. I think there's definitely some resistance near this $2,000 level, and we could face some downside after that, down to about 1930, and then maybe bounce up again. But the RSI, again, a little overbought now around that 68 level. MFI is starting to curve down. MACD looking like it wants to level out a little bit. But here on the blue waves, we got a green dot starting to clip to the upside. Money flow is still very much in the green. So Ethereum, could definitely still run to this 2,000. if it breaks this 2000 level, expect some fireworks, expect it to start flying. So again, the whales buy sell give a buy here, and basically just waiting to see if this 2000 is going to provide some resistance, or we're going to turn to the downside with that, which if we broke here this wedge pattern, then we would be falling to around 1710 for its next major support level. So again, everyone's keeping a close eye on this, but yeah, definitely recommend taking profits on a lot of these coins that are going up, because you never know when we could turn to the downside. But if y'all have any questions, please feel free to comment below. You have my Discord and Twitter link up there. Feel free to message me on there if you have any questions as well. So until next time, thanks for watching.